Here you can see that I have created this server. In this server I have reacting role system. If you react this, you will become YouTuber role. If you react this, you will become member role. I have server states, leaderboard, levels, level based roles, announcement, server log, COVID updates, arm welcome message with welcome card, leaving message, rules, and other games, Discord games, meme, RPG games, Pokemon games, soccer games, and also have rank command channel, and also have music channel and voice chat. So how to make this server? This tutorial coming soon. Subscribe this channel and hit the bell icons to get this tutorial.